Light is all around us. It lets us see the world, brings warmth from the sun, and powers everything from flashlights to fiber optics. But have you ever stopped to wonder how light actually travels? It moves incredibly fast, yet in a way that follows precise rules of physics. Let us explore how light journeys from one place to another and helps us make sense of everything we see. Light is a form of energy called electromagnetic radiation. It's made up of tiny packets of energy known as photons, which travel in waves. Unlike sound, which needs air or water to move through, light doesn't need any material at all. That's why sunlight can reach Earth through the vacuum of space. In fact, light travels at a mind-blowing speed, about 300,000 kilometers per second, or roughly 186,000 miles per second. That means light from the moon takes just over 1 second to reach us. And light from the sun takes about 8 minutes. Light travels in straight lines, which is why shadows form. When something blocks light, the area behind it stays dark. You can see this straight line behavior when a flashlight beam cuts through fog, or when sunlight streams through a window. This straight motion continues until light interacts with another surface, where it can bounce, bend, or scatter. When light bounces off a surface, we call it reflection. That is what happens when you look in a mirror. Light rays hit the smooth surface and reflect back in the same pattern, forming a clear image. Rough surfaces, like a wall or paper, scatter light in many directions, which is why you can see them, but not your reflection. When light passes from one material into another, for example, from air into water or glass, it changes speed and bends. This bending is called refraction. You can see it when you dip a straw into a glass of water and notice that it looks bent or broken at the surface. Refraction is also what makes lenses work, allowing glasses, microscopes, and cameras to focus light and form sharp images. Light can also be absorbed or transmitted. Dark materials absorb most of the light that hits them, which is why they heat up in sunlight. Transparent materials, like clear glass, allow most light to pass through, while translucent ones, like frosted glass, scatter the light, making it blurry. This combination of reflection, refraction, and absorption explains much of what we see in the world around us. In space, light can travel forever unless it hits something. That is why we can see stars that are billions of kilometers away. Their light has been traveling through space for years, sometimes even centuries, before reaching our eyes. When you look at a star, you're actually seeing light that left it a long time ago. It's like looking back in time. Light doesn't just illuminate, it carries information. Scientists use light to study everything from atoms to distant galaxies. Fiber optic cables use light pulses to send internet data across the world. Even the screens on your phone and TV rely on the manipulation of light waves to create images. So the next time sunlight warms your face or a lamp lights up your room, remember, that beam of light is made of countless photons racing through space at unimaginable speed, following the elegant laws of physics that make our world visible. To learn more about how everyday wonders like this work, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, How Things Work, and comment the next topic you want to learn.